Hola clase! Today we are going to see the proof for the formula of the double angles so we can use them in our exercises. Before getting to the formula we need, I need to know the fundamental identity and the formula for the compound angles, because they are going to be the ones that are going to be the base for the double angles. More specifically, the ones of the sums of angles. Sine of A plus B, cosine of A plus B, and tangent of A plus B. The whole idea is use these formulas but saying that A equals B. If that is the case, then A plus B equals A plus A, or 2A. And I can substitute in the compound angle formula, and that will give me the formula for a double angle of A. So if I go cosine of A plus A, that's equal the cosine of A times the cosine of A, now in this case, minus sine of A times sine of A. I can simplify here, and that would give me cosine square of A minus sine square of A. Now from here, if I remember the fundamental identity that tells me that the cosine square of A plus the sine square of A equals 1, then I can come back to the result I just got and substitute. If I rearrange and substitute saying that the cosine square of A equals 1 minus the sine square of A, then this formula that I just got will transform into 1 minus sine square of A minus sine square of A, and if I simplify it, 1 minus 2 sine square of A. I can come to the exact same place that I substitute, but then rearranging for the sine and saying that the sine square of A is 1 minus the cosine square of A. If I do that instead, then the formula transforms into cosine square of A minus 1 plus cosine square of A. And if I simplify this by combining like terms, I get 2 cosine square of A minus 1. So I've got 3 options for the same double angle. Repeating the process in the formula for sine of A plus B, that will turn into sine of A plus A equals sine of A, cosine of A, plus cosine of A, sine of A. These two are like terms, so I can combine them, and I've got 2 times sine of A times cosine of A. And yet again, using the formula for the tangent of a compound angle, I substitute, and it gives me the tangent of A plus A, which would be 2A, equals tangent of A plus tangent of A, all over 1 minus tangent of A times tangent of A. If I, yet again, simplify all these, I end with 2 tangent of A over 1 minus the tangent square of A. So the last step is just combine them all in a corner of our screen so we can use them. So I would have a formula for the sine of 2A, a formula for the cosine of 2A, that it's actually going to look in 3 different ways, so I can use them depending on what I need, and a formula for the tangent of 2A. And this formula I've got in the formula sheet, so I can use them in my exercises and they're ready to go. Now it's your turn to go and practice. Thanks for watching.